my chamfer foil here. I am going to use it shortly, but let's see, twin tip brush. And I am going to, where I'm at, right here. Just writing a dot in the middle. We are going to draw like a French. It's not, you don't have to be really perfect precise, because we're going to do some cool line in a little bit. Alright, so make just like a French smile line. How's everyone doing today? I'm so excited today to see everyone's. And then you are feeling the rest of the tips. I mean, not on the top, the rest of the tips that what I just draw with premium IHO chamfer foil. Hope your Monday is fabulous and full with a lot of awesomeness. All right, I have really busy Monday. I'm so excited to be here. All right, looks like I feel them all good. Here for 30 seconds with the Black's Premiums IHO chamfer foil gels bottle. It's hard to see because it's clear and it's shiny, so I'm gonna make sure that I got it like a little bit decent. Here for 30 seconds. Hey, hola, schematics. Same thing with this. Should we do both at the same time? So you can do a foot nails. I just wanted to show you you can achieve it with the French looks as well. You see me do a lot with foot nails already. All right, where I'm at right there. I'm just making a dot right in the middle and on the end, on the both edges, and I'm in both side wall. And just draw like a smile line. Just up to you if you want a really deep smile line or you want just little. It's up to you and your clients, okay? So I'm seeing a little bit better because it's had the pink. So I will fill the rest. If you decide to do your foils on the cuticles and down toward the tips, you can do that. So you can do a reverse way. And I'm gonna fill this one and here for 30 seconds. How's everyone doing today? I'm looking down right now so I don't see your comments. But I am so excited to have you all here with me. Here for 30 seconds. And then let's watch this really cool thing. We are going to use, so now pay attention. You can do either way, okay? You can use this one for this to be like the same shade, or you can do the pink one, however you would like. Or you can even use half of the nails is the metal gray and half of the nails with pink. You can reverse it however you would like. There are no limitation of what you can do, what you can achieve. So I'm gonna lay it right here. You can do however different ways you want. After 30 seconds here ready. And I am going to using our dual end tweezers. Give it a good rub. All right. And look at that. Look at it. It's even chamfer without the gel. That's awesome. It means that chamfer foil gel is just, it's not going anywhere. So adorable already. All right. So let's move on to the next nails. I'm gonna do both of them. so adorable, super easy too. And I'm gonna do the pink ones. I like that patterns right here. You can do different angle, different patterns. You don't have to settle with just what you see. You can do angle like this. You can do however you would like. All right, so no limits of what you can achieve for this look. And if you do your clients 10 nails, it will give you this really cool 10 really similar different look. Similar but different. I don't know how is that saying it, but look, it's already separated for you. And it's only transfer on where I apply my transfer foil gel. And it doesn't stick on my super pink number 17 bubble gum because I did top coat the no web top coat on the top already. So super adorable. And now close this so you won't spill. I'm gonna using my Golden Touch, one of my fave, and with my twin tip brush. Now, so if you don't want anything else, you want to put, like, there's so many different ways you can do, okay? So I'm going to share with you. You can either doing it like a crystal and go along with your smile light here, or you can leave it alone and top coat, good to go. Or you can put a couple of crystal here and then a couple of beads on. However you would like, it's going to look so gorgeous anyway. So, but it's give it different looks. However, you can reverse, like you can do this in right here in the nail bed is can be pink and then gray. This one can be gray and pink. You pick, you do it, you can create it. Don't let your creativities will be limit. So I'm using Golden Touch, really shimmery, really pigmented. I'm gonna pick just a little bit. You can do silvers, you can do gold. I'm gonna give it right in the middle, or where I'm at. And flatten my brush. This is really simple, easy achieve the design. So if you have like 5 minutes, you want to make it looks really cool, you can do this with 2 ring fingers or 2 index fingers or the thumb. The clients love the thumb too if they like to do a lot of texting. Well, of course they use the thumb the most for playing their phone. They can see beautiful if they want to do that. Doesn't matter, it won't take you too long. But with your super cute, you know, techniques, you can definitely rock this. Let's see, I'm gonna adjusting a little bit to make that perfect. And you just really gentle touch with this gel pigment. Is already does most of the work for you. So all right, and basically you can just perfect it really easy way. All right, Kia. Happy with this? We're going to Kia for 60 seconds. No, we'll do this one too. Next one, I will give it really quick dot in the middle, and then draw it upwards. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you. I'm using Golden Touch to just draw the line. You can do is shimmering silver, Golden Touch, however you can do even hot pink. You can even use a white gel polish with the gel painting in the bottle if you don't have the brush. And you can use this to create, and you can use it instead of with the Golden Touch, you can use it and apply your neon pigment on. All right, if you want a deeper, like really a smile line, you can do however you would like. Be creative, be creative. There are no limits of what you can do. Here again for a 30-second flash cure. All right, so now if you don't want anything else, you decide to like, okay, I'm done, top coat it with no wipe top coat. I use this too from box number 89. And if you don't want anything else, just top coat, cure for 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. But we're gonna put some crystals on, some super adorable crystal placements on. All right, so let's get started with condensed glue gels. I need my condensed glue gels right there. Okay, there you go. So cute. Looks so